Hello everyone. Today, I have made my first EAS scenario. And like always on EAS videos, do not put this in the air, because you will go to jail. So get some McDonald's or something. Anyways, let's get this started. 3, 2, 1.
What was that?
Well. What do we have here?
Who said that?
I did.
Nicholas? What are you doing here? And why are you out of Plodgon?
Since you made grounded videos out of me, I'm going to kill you.
Oh, no you're not.
Oh yeah. I killed your grandpa.
No, not my grandpa.
That's right. And I'm going to kill you, for good.
Wah!
Yes! I finally got him, and let's show everyone who's boss. This message has been transmitted to the request of the Laredo Police Department. This is in child abduction alert. At approximately 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, an 11-year-old white male Christopher Garcia was abducted. He was last seen with black hair and brown eyes, wearing a white t-shirt, blue jeans, blue Adidas sneakers. Christopher Garcia was taken from his home by an individual who broke into his house and killed his grandfather and escaped. So if this individual breaks into your house, call 911, or use firearm protection, which means necessary. Lock all doors and windows. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
I like to use science for good.
Really? I always use science for evil!
That is me to a Texas tea, SpongeBob! We nailed you too, Plankton!
It was okay.
The following message has been transmitted to the request of the Laredo Police Department. This is an update to the previous alert from 15 minutes ago. The individual that was mentioned in the previous alert is still on the loose. We have information about this individual. This individual is believed to be Nicholas. Nicholas is a character which was made by Christopher Garcia. Christopher Garcia made Nicholas an app called Plodgon. So Nicholas took him because he made YouTube videos out of him. Nicholas has invaded many houses and killed people with his admin powers. All residents are advised to stay in their homes and lock all doors and windows. If you are indoors, stay indoors until further notice. If you are outdoors, hide in a building and cover yourself with something that Nicholas can't see you, or seek immediate shelter. Remain indoors well away from windows. If you are driving, pull safely to the side of the road and seek shelter in a building, or lay on the floor and cover yourself with something that Nicholas can't see you. Stay tuned for more information on this life-threatening situation. Take immediate action measures.
What a nice day in Saginaw. I hope nothing bad happens. Why the heck is my house shaking? I should look and see what's going on. Wait, what the?
Hillis SHSHZHSAATRBDHD.
So you have ADHD. And that's why you're here?
No farta face EKAEJDHDHD7DHBDHB5HXHFHCHSFNZMKI39DNS30.
Kid, you better get out of here. Or else I'll call the cops.
No me not get out Jiju 2UZHSUEHZGAHTKDHW7HZ.
This kid's crazy. Look, this is your last chance. Get out of here now, or else you'll be shot.
Still no me get out and gun don't shoot SHSH3YSHDBSDDYDXUTODHX.
Okay, that's it, crazy guy. Since you're not getting out of my house, you're a dead meat.
I'll make that TU711FHFU4U7B.
Well, that was weird. Hello, what do you need? What? What am I saying? And what's that music in the background?
Oh, so you're trying to ground me, huh? Ha 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 ha. That's what you get, you jerk.
Stop it, you big fat turd. I just shot you, and you're still alive?
Well, that's a clone of me. And guess what?
What do I need to know?
I stole your gun.
Hey, what the heck? How did you... Give me my gun back!
Not until you stop grounding me, and plus I'm never gonna give you the gun. But, if you want your gun so badly, then you're gonna have to die.
Wait, what?
Say goodbye to your house.
Oh my lord, help me!
Haha, God doesn't help you, bozo. Oh crap. I gotta get out of here. Teleport me to the basement in the other house. This is ABC 12 News, and I'm Joe Pattinson. 3 days ago, a man called Adrian was killed in his house by an individual. We don't know what this individual is, but there are many reports of the clones of the same individual has been roaming across Saginaw. Wait a minute, there's an emergency alert system interrupting this program. We'll be back after the alert. The following message has been transmitted to the request of the Saginaw Police Department. This is not a test. Many reports are happening in Saginaw about the clones of individuals of a 3D platform Plotagon character named Nicholas. These individuals of Nicholas are breaking into people's houses, killing people, and doing many crimes. Unfortunately, there is nothing we can do about it now. We suggest that you stay indoors until further notice. Stay tuned until more updates. Hey Frank. What? Have you heard of that disaster in America? No. I haven't even heard anything. They said that an individual from Plotagon is destroying the city of Laredo. Well, that's a weird situation. Yeah, I know, right? What the heck? We should go check. What the? This one's no good. Frank, behind you. Hey, loser. Say goodbye to your soul. I'm gonna kill you somehow. No, you're not. Two Wilhelm screams at a time now. My job here is done. Teleport me to China.
Hey man, what's with the belly bag?
What this? Oh, it's nothing. It's just.
I got you, man. I got your pants.
Oh, what happened?
You got too close to the...
We interrupted your program to bring you this emergency message. Please stand by.
This message is transmitted to the request of the US government. This is not a test. Nicholas and his clones are destroying the Earth. Unfortunately, there is nothing we can do about it now. There are 235 deaths in Berlin, 298 deaths in Saginaw, and 350 deaths in Laredo. Gather your family and your loved ones, and say goodbye to this beautiful, great planet of Earth. Every country on TV plays their national anthem right now. This is all there is to say. Time to destroy the Earth. Here goes nothing.